Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will be learning how to divide numbers using factoring. In this example, 864 divided by 6. Step 1. Reduce both numbers to its prime factors. 864 reduced is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. 6 reduced is 2 times 3. Step 2. Cancel out all the common factors. Both sides have 2 and 3. We cancel out one of each factor in each side. So you're left with 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 divided by 1, and you get the final answer. 864 divided by 6 is 144. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.